is Sharon Armstrong. I wanted to share with you my card kits that I'm offering in the month of July. You will be making this cute little card plus a bunch more that I'm going to show you on this quick video. I hope that you will enjoy getting free card kits. I send 8 kits, 4 of each design, everything that you need to put these cards together. So let me just show the rest of the cards to you. So every month I offer a free card kit with a $40 order from my website. And the month of July, I am offering a free card kit to go with the Abstract Impressions bundle, okay? So I will have all of the links of everything that you need down below to make these cards. Here's my first one. So you will get enough supplies to make 2 of this card. I hear from so many of you that you don't want to give away the cards. Well, we'll just fix that. You get to keep one and you'll have one to send. There you go, I gotcha. Then you're gonna do this cute card. It has a fun fold, just a little bit different. So you'll get enough supplies for 2 of these. You'll get enough supplies for 2 of these, and I'm using the new Poppy Parade and Granny Apple Green. Just love it, love, love, love. And then the last card that you would get the 2 free card kits for is this one with this fun butterfly. So I can't stop playing with this stamp set. Let me just show you some other cards that I've made. So notice this butterfly is what I cut out of this paper, and I stuck it on that card. So just another fun way to use that butterfly die. This is just so pretty. I love the colors. Melon Mambo, Mango Melody, and Pacific Point. I know, not blue leaves, no such a thing. However, this is called Abstract Impressions. You gotta think out of the box when you're thinking of all the colors. That's what I had to tell myself. And then the last card I've made so far, I'm not done yet, I don't think, is this fun one because I wanted to give it a try. I've seen some butterfly cards in the past, so I just wanted to take a stab at it myself. So like I said, to get a free card kit from me, you can place your order between July 5th and July 10th, 2018 on my website, and that link is below. And everything you order will ship to you, and then I will ship you the free card kit. You should get it before the 20th of July. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you love these cards. Such a fun set. Don't you think this card just screams summer? It's Pineapple Punch. It's so fun. I hope that you enjoyed this short video. And if you want to receive your card kits, you can place an order on my website. I will have all of the items that you need in the links below so that you get all the ink pads and everything that you need to assemble these cards. So thank you guys. Happy stamping.